Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can check out your iPhone storage. It's super easy to do. Let's get started. Open up your phone settings. So you will see this option over here. You have to simply scroll up and you will see this general. Click on that. Then you will see this third option called iPhone storage. Once you click on that, you will see this option over here. So like you will get all the details of your iPhone. So you can see over here all the details, like some apps over here, or like you will see over here at the end iOS or like system data as well, or you can simply click on show all, and then you will see a bunch of apps over here that are installed. Or on the top you will see optimized photos over here, or on the top you will see iPhone storage. Like you can see over here on this line, you will see application, photos, iOS or system data as well, you can see. So that's it. That's how you can check it out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.